Hello friends! For today's art project, I'm going to show you how to make your very own sun catcher, just like this one. So let's get the materials and I'll show you how to do it. For this project, you will need the template for the sun catcher. You will need some masking tape, some scissors, some colored tissue paper, and I've already cut it into little squares. And then you will need this self-adhesive clear shelf liner paper. I actually got this one at Walmart. It's a nice big roll, so you can do lots of projects with that. The first thing that you are going to do is take the template and use the masking tape to tape it to the table. Just like this. Just put a little tape on each corner to hold it down. Okay, the next thing we have to do is get the clear paper. And what we want to do is cut a piece that's large enough to cover the design that you're making. So get out your scissors, and these are super useful because they have lines. And so what you can do is figure out where you need to cut it from and then just follow the line all the way up to the top. It doesn't have to be exact because we're going to cut it out anyways. All right, so here's how I did it. I got the masking tape. Contact paper is super curly, so you'll have to tape it down. I taped a piece here. And then I taped a piece here, just to help hold it down. And then what you'll want to do next is start peeling off. Oops, we did it upside down. You want to make sure that this paper part that you peel off is facing up, because you want the sticky side to be facing up. So here, we'll just turn this right around. Even I make mistakes sometimes. Tape it here, perfect. All right, now we're ready to start carefully peeling this off. And what you might want to do is already have a little piece of tape ready to go. Okay, then you peel off the backing. And you want to tape the sticky side facing up. Just like this, just one piece in each corner. Peel this backing down until you get to the other pieces of tape. And then you just kind of fold it and make a crease so that it stays flat while you're working. Okay, now we're ready to add the tissue paper. And so what we're going to do is we're going to just stick our tissue paper right on the inside of the template. Just like this, wherever you want. And you can use whatever colors you like, whichever ones are your favorite. Today I'm making a sun, so I'm going to use pink and yellow, and I had some golden that I'm going to use too. So gold, whichever colors you like. You could use orange, you could use red. And then if you find that your pieces of tissue paper are cut too large, you can always just kind of tear them up to whatever size you need them to be. I like to tear them when I get to the edges here, just because it's a little easier to go around the curved edges when you tear it. Let's get some more pink. And you'll just continue working like this until you fill up all of the inside of the template. Once you have your template all nice and filled in with all of the colors that you like, we're going to take the rest of the backing that we had folded back and carefully peel it off, all the way off. We'll set that aside. And now what you want to do is very carefully take the other half of the contact paper and very, very, very carefully, before you let it stick, fold it over onto the tissue paper, just like this. And you want to be very careful not to get any air bubbles. If you have a little around the edges, that's okay, because we're going to cut it out. Just like this. So you see how here it's a little wrinkly, but that's okay, because we're going to cut it. All right, so now we can lift it up off of the template, and look how it looks so far. You see, it's just like the sun, but we don't have the black lines showing. And then here's what we're going to do. Take off the masking tape, and then get your scissors, and you're just going to cut it in the shape of the sun. If you want, you can just make a big circle and cut around it in a circle, but I'm going to kind of cut around the points and kind of maintain the shape of the sun that we have here. And there you have it. Your sun catcher is complete. And there you have it. Your beautiful sun catcher is finished. So when you're ready to hang it in your window, you really have two options. You can use clear tape just like this and put it directly on the back and hang it directly on the glass. Or if you like, you can use a hole puncher to punch a hole in the top and use some string and hang it up that way. So I hope you enjoy your new sun catchers. When it's a sunny day, the light will shine through and it will almost look like a stained glass window, and it will be beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this project. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.